to everyone. It doesn't. I can scroll. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to give you a short overview of the Copernicus Marine Service and the related SST Thematic Assembly Center, known as SST TAC, which basically is the operational SST production center of the Copernicus Marine Service. Let me introduce some key persons. I recall you that the Copernicus Marine Service is funded by the European Commission and implemented by Mercator Ocean International, which is a non-profit organization whose general director is Pierre Baurel, the scientific director Pierre Vetron, the coordinator of Earth observation data Antonio Repucci, and myself, the current leader of the SST TAC. Well, the Copernicus Marine Service is basically the marine component of the European Copernicus program for Earth observation, and it provides free, regular, systematic, and state-of-the-art information for the blue, white, and green ocean. Basically, satellite and in situ observations, as well as numerical models, are used to build respectively 2D and 3D essential ocean variables, covering the global ocean and 6 European regional seas. That is the Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Baltic Sea, Arctic Ocean, and part of the northeastern Atlantic Ocean. All these data are provided as multi-year products covering the last 10 to 45 years, depending on the product, as real-time, daily or hourly data representing the current day or the day before, and as forecast from 2 to 10 days ahead. So let's see some products. The Copernicus Marine offers is rather broad, and example of available products that you can find are for the physics, temperature, salinity, currents, waves, sea level, and so on. For the biogeochemistry, necton, plankton, organic carbon, chlorophyll, oxygen, and others. And for the white ocean, sea ice concentration, extent, thickness, velocity, as well as snow and other variables. I would highlight the extensive use of Sentinel data and contributing missions, but I'll come back to this later on. How this service works? Well, in practice, it is a network of production centers. There are 7 monitoring forecasting centers that provide model data, 3D data, and 8 tags that provide observation data. Usually surface 2D surface data. All these data are sent to the marine information system, basically the infrastructure that collects and disseminates all this data to external users. Okay, focusing on the tags, well, the The functioning is similar to every TAC. They use level 1 and or level 2 satellite data, as well as in situ observation as input, that are translated by experts into level 3 and level 4 products. That are not only used by external users, but also internally by the monitoring forecasting centers for assimilation purposes. Now, the SST TAC is the element of the Copernicus Marine Service in charge for the provision of operational SST data. These data are provided in near real time, covering the last 2 years up to 1 day before real time, and as multi-year or reprocessed data covering the period, the satellite area, so from 1982 up to 6 months before real time. Each product is available as level 3S and level 4. Near real time are taught for operational application, while multi-year for climate applications. And the data, all these data are available for the global ocean and for the European regional seas. At the moment, the SST TAC portfolio includes 21 SST products, 13 near real time, and 8 reprocessed, plus 18 ocean monitoring indicators. Overall, each SST product provides a daily min map of foundation SST, and more recently, hourly mean data have been released. Each product is accompanied by a product user manual and a quality information document. Due to Brexit, since January 2023, MetOffice is no more part of the consortium, so this impacted the Ostia family and Lisa CCI products. This is an example, Odyssey, which is a global near real-time SST product suite. It is composed by level 3S and level 4. And this family provides global, daily, level 3 and level 4 foundation SST maps in near real time at 110-degree resolution, so about 10 kilometers. An overview of the latest achievements between 2022 and 2023. Odyssea, the level 4 product just shown before, has been released this year. And we also released a series of level 3S reprocessed products for both the global ocean and the regional seas, complementing the existing level 4. These products are regularly updated now in order to reach 1 month before real time. So we moved from 6 months to 1 month before real time. And based on this reprocessed dataset, we provide the so-called ocean monitoring indicators, which are basically a monthly mean time series of anomaly temperatures and SST trends maps. Attention is put into the integration of any new available sensor. So this year, MetOffice have been integrated in all global and regional products. Some planned for next year we successfully tested super resolution convolutional neural networks to improve the feature resolution, and these algorithms will be included into the Mediterranean and Black Sea products. We plan to integrate Meteosat third generation and to exploit future missions such as Trishna to also to develop coastal products. Very quickly, the Copernicus Marine Service, as well as the SST TAC, is highly dependent on satellite and in-situ data. For the reason there is a strong interaction, for example, with ESA and EUMETSAT. Another example, the Sentinel-3A and B have been integrated into all the SST products. And to conclude, at the moment, the Copernicus Marine Service has more than 50,000 registered users. Since 2016, the number of users increased a lot. It is a service which is highly user-driven and provides a continuous evolution of global and regional algorithms to maintain the state-of-the-art of all the products, including SST ones. A substantial effort will be dedicated for coastal application, and we should be prepared for future mission as SIM, LSTM, and Trishna. So that's all from my side. Thanks.
Thank you. Andrea?